Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. Today we are going to see how to make a circle chart. So let's get started. So now I'm in After Effects 2019, but you can use any version you have, no problem. So we will start with new composition. I will rename it to circle chart. I will keep the setting to 1920, 1080. The frame rate is 25 per second. You can change it to your frame rate. I will choose a duration of 30 seconds and then let's click OK. So now here you click right click, new, shape layer. Okay, you open this shape layer and in add you click on add and we will add an ellipse. Okay, and then I will add a stroke. So let's resize it to something like 560, and then in the stroke I will adjust the stroke width to something like 125. Okay, now let's add the backgrounds. Again, right click, new, solid. I will choose a color, something like this, and hit OK. You need to drag it down this layer. Now I will duplicate this layer by clicking edit, duplicate, or simply you can hit Ctrl D. Now I will choose another color, let's say yellow color, and then let's open this top shape layer and I will add trim paths. Okay, so we're going to animate this ant with the expression as usually. Okay, now I need to add a text layer. Right click, new, text, or you can click on this T, horizontal type tool, or Ctrl T, and then you can write anything. Okay, so let's write the letter M, for example, and then I will set the text to center. Okay, and I will make it smaller, something like this, and I will align it to the center. Let's go to align. You can view it here or go to window, align. Okay, and I will click on align vertical and horizontally. So now we need to add a new adjustment layer. Go to effect control and then we will right click and add an expression controls slider control. Okay, now we need to lock this effect control. Click on this one. Now we open the top shape layer 2, and in the trim path in the end, with alt key pressed, click on the stopwatch to reveal the expression and just pick this one. You pick the slider, that's it. So now whenever you change this one, it will follow the value in the slider control. Okay, now let's link the text. So I will open the text layer. Okay, go to source text. With alt key pressed again, you click on the stopwatch, and then I will write math with M capital dot round, and between parentheses you pick the slider. Okay, now everything follows. So let's animate the circle chart. We will go to the beginning, okay, to the beginning of the timeline, and then I will click on the stopwatch here. I will set it to 0, and like in 6 seconds I will set it to 100%. Okay, now if we make a play, it will be animated. So now if you want to add a percentage next to the text, again you need to open the text, go to the expression, and here we will add plus and quote. I will add the percentage sign. Okay, so now it's there. Maybe we have to reduce the size little bit and align it again. Now we have the percentage. If you want to add a space before this percentage, you can just add a space here and it will follow. You can change this text with anything like $1 or whatever, and it will be right there. Maybe we can add an extra layer to make it look more beautiful. Maybe I will duplicate the shape layer too. Again, edit, duplicate, and I will choose the gray color. Okay, now you need to click on the ellipse tool here and be sure to click on tool create mask, and then draw a circle like this in the center, something like this. You can adjust it by double clicking on this mask and try to make a perfect circle. Okay, so now let's change the blending mode to something like multiply to make it darker, and press T on the keyboard to reveal the opacity. Make it like 30% and you will get this nice effect. Okay, if you want to make it brighter, you can set it to screen and it will be this color. You can adjust, of course, the opacity or the transparency of this layer. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any comments or any question, please write it in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.